Hey, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, as you can see, same motorcycle. And why do we have video of this? Well, yeah, it happened again. So guess what? We're gonna have another YouTube video, doing it all over again. Don't worry, I won't make you guys sit through it again. Yeah, I just thought I'd update you guys. So having a fun day. It's nice. I went to go buy spare parts for my refrigerator as the ice machines are working, and got flagged off by a fellow road user that said, "Oops, Bill, have a look at that." Wasn't expecting that. And then yeah, we also got the wet left foot. So yeah, fun times, eh? Yeah, well, so yes, here's the segment of the video you want to see. The exploded radiator. So it's time to show it. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, well, I guess that didn't last long. Looks like I have to repeat the process. That's a big one. And it's only the third time I've ridden the motorcycle. Oh, that's lovely. All nice and pink. Gushing out. So, what fun. Guess we do the job over. Yeah, so I did phone up the guys who did the radiator originally, and they said, "Please bring it back, so we'll check if the problem's still there on the same spot." Well, the spot was over there, so it's going to be in the same spot again. They had worked on the radiator, and as you can see in the last video, they blanked off this channel, runs there, the second one, and it's clearly leaking in the corner here where they, I think, sealed the tank end. So there's obviously a little heighty there that they didn't fill up properly. Seal up properly. So yeah, see sport run. Yeah, I did look at some internet videos about this and about apparently the problems with the tank rubbers causing the radiator to crack. Yeah, I'll put them in as well as a sort of a reference to have a look at, maybe in the top corner of here somewhere when if I get my finger to point right away, maybe put a little box there for you guys. And just, yeah, if you look at that video too. Lovely stuff. Not feeling very happy at the moment. Yeah, so to my fellow KTM users that have done this similar job before, had the radiator repaired, please let me know in the comments if you have the same problem or had the same problem after this. So to end off this fun video, to the guys that made it to the end, thank you very much. As I said earlier, please like and subscribe. And I do have another channel which I do aviation videos in. I'll leave a link to that. So thanks for watching, and until next time. Cheers.